In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outer glow to any layer in Photoshop. A glow is a quick, effective way to make text, icons, shapes, or cutout objects stand out from the background. It can be soft and atmospheric or bold and neon, and the best part is that it's completely editable. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to tweak and why. First, make sure you've selected the layer you want to glow in the Layers panel. It could be a text layer, a logo, or a shape. If you don't see the Layers panel, make sure it's visible so you know you're adjusting the right element. Next, go to the top menu and open Layer, then choose Layer Style and click Outer Glow. This opens the Layer Style dialog box where you'll do all your fine-tuning. You can keep the preview on so you see changes in real time as you make them. Start by choosing a color for your glow. White is a classic choice for a clean, luminous halo, but don't be afraid to try neon colors or tones that complement your design. If your background is dark, bright colors will pop. On lighter backgrounds, try softer hues to keep the look refined. Now adjust opacity. Think of opacity as the brightness or strength of the glow. Higher values give you a bold, visible edge. Lower values create a subtle ambient feel. If the glow looks harsh, reduce opacity until it blends more naturally with your background. Next, adjust size. Size controls how far the glow spreads outward from the edge of your object. A small size keeps the glow tight and crisp, while a larger size creates a broader, softer aura. If you're after that dreamy bloom effect, increasing size is the key. Then experiment with spread. Spread increases the intensity of the glow at the edges. Raising it makes the glow more solid and defined. Lowering it keeps it feathered and smooth. A little goes a long way here. Try small adjustments and watch how it shapes the overall look. As you balance opacity, size, and spread, think about the mood you're going for. Subtle glows are great for readability and polish, while stronger glows are perfect for emphasis and style. You can always return and fine-tune later. When you're happy with the result, click OK. Your object now glows, and because this is a layer style, it remains editable, non-destructive, and easy to adjust whenever your design evolves.